Wow. What's going on? Come on. Helen. I'm gonna puke. Oh, God. I swear I'm gonna puke or shit my pants or something.